Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I am here with a new video in which I will tell you about how you can enable the developer option in your device Samsung S22 Ultra. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new and updated videos. Now let's move to our today's topic. If you want to enable the developers option in your device Samsung S22 Ultra, you can do this by the way as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about how you can enable the developers option.